Are you looking for the best 14 bandsaw? In this video, we will break down the top 7 best 14 bandsaw on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Grizzly G0555, the ultimate bandsaw. This particular model is a 14-inch wheel bandsaw with a lot of capacity and quality to help you carry out the top jobs. It equipped with a 1 horsepower, 110-220V compatible single-phase motor. The bandsaw blade spins at a variable speed of 1500 and 3200 feet per minute. Also, a 14-inch by 14-inch table provides a large cutting area for you to handle large jobs, and with a maximum cutting height of 6 inches, the machine is clearly built to handle large stocks of wood. The frame and table are made of precision ground cast iron to provide a steady work surface with minimum vibration. Plus, it is a heavy-duty cast stand and cast aluminium wheels with rubber tires for easy movement of the blade. It comes equipped with a quick-release blade tension lever to remove or add tension to the blade. At number 2. WEN 3960 62-speed bandsaw. WEN is reasonable for the money. It comes with plenty of accessories. It includes a flexible work lamp, a rip fence, a meter gauge, a blade tension gauge, a 3-in-1 dust port, a circle cutting guide, and a half-inch blade in this package to make it one of the best 14-inch bandsaws for the money. However, it only tilts right and not left, plus it isn't a cast iron construction. It comes with a very spacious 21.5 x 15.7 inch table anyway, and accepts blade thicknesses from 1.8 to 1 inch in size. At number 3. Jet JWBS 14DX PRO Deluxe Pro Bandsaw Kit. The Jet JWBS 14DX PRO is a versatile and powerful tool. It comes with durable cast iron construction. The saw is stable, steady, and sturdy, eliminating any blade drift for smooth clean cuts. Also, comes with a ball bearing wheel blade guides, making it easy to adjust the blade. Working with this equipment is fast, smooth, and easy. If you are a professional, it offers you a storage area to keep all your blades and other accessories within reach. Overall, customers praise the Jet JWBS 14DX PRO for its easy controls and solid build. At number 4. WEN 3966 2-speed bandsaw. It includes a blade tension gauge, a circle cutting guide, a flexible work light, a 3-in-1 dust port, a fence, a half-inch blade, and a meter gauge. You will find this saw great versatility that makes the work fast. It comes with a 9.5 amp motor, and a 13 inches wide 2-speed operation allows for speeds of either 1420 or 3280 fpm. Also, this saw includes a flexible work light to illuminate the work table, a 3-inch 1 dust port to fit a variety of dust extractor hoses. It gives you a 2-year warranty. At number 5. Grizzly G0555LX Deluxe Bandsaw. The Grizzly G0555LX Deluxe Bandsaw 143 is a popular Grizzly bandsaw. It includes cast iron wheels, a T-shaped fence, and a meter gauge. The extruded T-shaped fence, which also contains a magnifying window, makes this an excellent bandsaw for resawing. Also, the Grizzly G0555LX Deluxe bandsaw is quite affordable. It packs a powerful 1 HP, 110V 220V, 1725 RPM with a single-phase motor that comfortably cuts through any type of wood. The build quality of the saw is also quite reliable. It comes with a cast iron frame and a heavy stand with powder-painted paint. The table can be tilted 45 degrees to the right and 10 degrees to the left. Overall, the Grizzly G0555LX Deluxe Bandsaw 14-inch bandsaw is worth considering. At number 6. Powermatic 1791216K model PWBS. The Powermatic PWBS 14CS bandsaw comes with a powerful 1.5 horsepower motor that delivers a single speed of 3000 fpm. It also comes with a sturdy cast iron table and a poly V-drive belt system. Plus, the table is also spacious enough for an array of cutting jobs, as it measures 15 inches by 15 inches. The wheels are also made of cast iron. You can plug this machine into 110 VAC directly, which means you do not need a converter. Additionally, there is a chip blower and pressurized nozzle above the table. The table can tilt by 45 degrees to the right and 10 degrees to the left. It also features a cutting capacity of 13.5 inches in width and 6 inches in height. It uses a 93.5 inches blade with a width that ranges from 1/8 inches to 3/4 inches. After all, it is still quieter than most bandsaws on the market and also lightweight. At number 7. ShopFox W1706 14 Bandsaw. If you're looking for a top-notch choice with added value for the money, the ShopFox's W1706 bandsaw is best for you. It has this 1 HP single-phase motor with 1725 RPM. And the blade sized at 93.5 inches, measures 14x 14x 1.5 inches. This saw's cutting capacity is 13.5 inches, with 6 inches cutting height. It comes with a 3/8 inch blade, meter gauge, and aluminium fence. The fence scale boasts a magnifying window, and the blade changes in a snap. However, the Shop Fox 14-inch bandsaw features an outstanding mix of value and affordability. You'll hardly find a better bandsaw at this size for this price point. It is versatile enough to allow the table tilt with 450 to the right and 100 to the left.